me, Mr. Excitement! You're watching Rev It Up 7 with these guys! Yeah!
Hey guys, Rev It Up 7 here. Today we're going to make a video of a cool monster truck we found at Walmart. Well, my brother found it at Walmart. Really
yeah. Well, my brother is sick right now, and I'm not right now, so we found, okay, here, I'll show you right now. It is Wonder Woman, and I thought they didn't sell this anymore, and I wanted to buy... Oh. I thought they didn't sell it anymore, because the truck...
Not yet. I didn't know this was on sale yet. I've been trying to follow the whole release dates and when stores restock and stuff. I didn't think Wonder Woman was on shelves yet, so he found this in the store. We were there because I was getting cough medicine, but that's besides the point. That's why I said that. But,
I was like, can I get a little something for my brother?
Alright, yeah. So, nice of him to pick that up. We're going to quickly get into this.
Even my mom didn't even know. I mean, she said, you guys have that one, right?
Yep.
She even knew.
This is one of the most, I think, well-made, or as far as, best detailed trucks.
They did a good job on this.
I saw pictures of it.
Oh, it's just a rubber.
The decals and the paint job are just phenomenal. You got the ring back here.
Yeah, the ring makes sense.
Is that a ring? Or is it a headband? I don't know.
It's a headband, I think.
Did you watch the movie?
Yeah, I watched the Justice League. She wore that headband on her
That's a
head.
headband.
Yeah, it's a headband. I thought it was a ring at first.
I don't follow the DC universe that closely.
And here comes the crushable
recrushable car.
It's rubber.
This reminds me of, what's another truck this kind of looks like to you? I'll ask you first.
I actually don't know. Looks like, Thor.
Why? Because it's both superhero trucks?
No.
I'm saying, look at the body and the way it's kind of laid out.
I actually don't know. That's...
You really can't think of anything?
Nope. Not a single thing.
Oh.
Not even one thing.
This kind of reminds me of, the way, the truck, the nose, it reminds me of Zombie Hunter a little bit. At least the way the nose is.
God.
It's not that obvious now that I think about it. It just kind of popped into my mind because this one's got a different looking rear end. This looks like her headpiece.
To be honest, Zombie Hunter doesn't look like
a Zombie Hunter at all.
Yeah, it doesn't look
looks like a Ram.
Yeah, just a Ram. It should have been called the Ram Hunter.
That was one of the worst trucks of 2016. I think that's when it came about. But yeah, Wonder Woman, beautiful truck. One of the best of 2018, that's for sure. I want to get Big Kahuna. That's next, and I think after that we'll have every new truck. Oh, they have a few. What is it? They have a fire truck,
Wait, we can look in the back. Oh, we already.
They have a fire truck design they're doing, like Radical Rescue. I think that's what it's called. We haven't picked that up yet, but other than that, we got everything. Nice recrushable car here. Thanks for watching. We're gonna be doing another thing where we upload 3 times in a row.
We got every single truck in here except we have all of them except we don't have the green Jester. We have the orange one, but I don't know if that matters.
Well, technically, we have every named truck ever. We have every truck, at least one variation of it. But
so we have
Green Jester is a completely different truck, so we'll probably pick that up.
Wonder Woman, Dragon, Jester, Maxi, Zombie Hunter, Monster Mutt, Nitro Hornet, and Metal Militia. I don't know why they still sell Nitro Hornet.
Well, he was never a real truck, and that's the same thing for me with Spider-Man. Spider-Man was a real truck.
Yeah, actually,
but
Spider-Man.
It doesn't tour anymore. Why are they still casting these trucks? How many dragons do we need? And Metal Militia too. Not a truck anymore. Why do they keep casting it? I just don't get it. It's a waste of it.
Anymore?
No, it hasn't been for 1 year.
Oh, what the heck?
That's why Todd LeDuc went over to Monster Energy. But Metal Militia was a great truck. I'm sad they didn't get it back. But
The highest there in the world.
yeah, highest there in every world and any world finals ever. But thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. We're gonna be uploading a video of some really cool stuff we found at Toys R Us. And bye.
Bye.